There's lots of different ways to describe innovation, but horizontal innovation is when you take a technology or some expertise or some knowledge from one sector and use it in a different sector to solve a problem, create value, do something new or innovative in that sector. But you're not really creating anything new, you're using what the previous sector has already essentially done the hard work on and created as a new piece of innovation.
Horizontal innovation is effectively taking technologies and ideas from other industries and applying them to your own. Or the other way of thinking about it is taking ideas from your industry and applying them to somebody else's.
The IET has been really supportive of horizontal innovation since 2016. And I think one of the reasons that we've had that really strong connection with the IET is its membership. And the IET membership is really diverse, everything from people involved in the building sector to manufacturing to design to IT to comms to electronics. And it's that wealth of expertise and knowledge. The visiting professorship in horizontal innovation that I've been awarded by the Royal Academy of Engineers and we're working with Cranfield University on will deliver a way of working around horizontal innovation. It's very easy to talk about how you can take technologies and transfer them to different sectors. It's a different thing to actually work out how you actually do that, and whether there's a methodology or whether it's a mindset or a culture. And so the visiting professorship is all about trying to figure that out, trying to foster that communication, that knowledge sharing across sectors, both within Cranfield but externally from Cranfield as well, and using that to showcase the concept, the power of the concept to the IET membership.
In Cranfield, we do a lot of innovation. We deal with a lot of companies and a lot of students. We're a postgraduate university uniquely, and we stretch people's capabilities in thinking, in doing, and in behaving. From lean manufacturing, we know that it's better to act our way into a new thinking than think our way into new acting. So we're taking the learnings from the IET horizontal innovation process, and we want to coach and encourage students to reimagine what they can do with prior art on processes, on materials, on systems, on mechanisms and products to solve problems. We have seen a great wealth of interest to donate subjects for our students, and we want to make them participants in that encouragement to young minds, but also perhaps mentors and judges of the output. So we would like to grow this as a movement in encouraging creativity and curiosity, which is what made a lot of us and a lot of the IET members the engineers and manufacturers that they are.
We want to know what your challenges are. We want to know what ideas you've got around horizontal innovation. What do you know that's working somewhere else, but you think could work in another sector? We want to know those, and it's only by us understanding all of those things, communicating those out to the membership at the IET, that we'll really start to see horizontal innovation become very powerful for the UK.